Hi blessed friends, welcome back to my channel Count Your Blessings. Hope you all are doing good. Well, for today's video, I'm taking part in the DIY challenge hosted by Heidi Sonboul over at Heidi Sonboul DIY. The theme for this month is back to school DIYs, and I'm sharing 2 ways to cover notebooks which remind me of back to school. Now without further ado, let's get started. The first and most simplest way to cover a book is using wrapping paper. I got this paper at Santosh for ₹10, and as you can see, I've already covered one book. This wrapping paper covers more than 2 books. This is the design that I've chosen. Pretty snowflakes. The best thing about wrapping paper is that you have a wide range to choose from, and depending on your color scheme, depending on on the time of the year that you want to do it, and whatever you like. It can be Disney characters, it can be whatever you want. You can choose that wrapping paper to cover your books and to make them look pretty. This is a Spider-Man book, and I've used it to do some planning, and I'm going to cover it up. All you need to do is place your book on top, open it, see that both sides on top and bottom will be covered. I've got some sellotape. And that's it. The book is covered. Done. I have this pretty book. It's got gilt edge border. It's really nice, but I don't like the cover, so I'm going to cover it with this excess curtain fabric. I think this design will complement well with a gold edge, but as you can see, if I lay the cloth on top, the print underneath is kind of visible, so I'm going to give it a coat of white paint. Let's see what paint I have. Give it a coat of paint, let it dry, and then I'm going to cover it up. Since I couldn't paint it white, I used regular A4 paper to cover it, and if you look closely you can see the print, but when you cover it up with a cloth it doesn't show. good. Cover it with 2 A4 sheets, one for the front and one for the back. And now I'm going to place my cloth. And cover it up. I'm going to stick it with the Fevicol and secure it with some sellotape till the Fevicol dries. I have cut the 2 corner pieces and I'm going to fold them inward. And that's it. Your book cover is ready. I've just outlined it with some clear sellotape so that the cloth doesn't fray. And now you've got a customized book. Hope you like these DIYs. Please be sure to check out Heidi's channel and the playlist, both of which are mentioned in the description box for more awesome inspiration. Until next time, take care, God bless, bye-bye, smile, Jesus loves you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you, bye-bye.